everybody, so today I'm going to show you around my boy's nursery slash his little bedroom. And I asked ages ago whether you'd rather see kitchen tour or nursery tour. I did the kitchen tour a while ago, and so here is the nursery. Although it's not really a nursery anymore because we finished breastfeeding last November, so actually I guess it's just his bedroom, a toddler bedroom. The other important thing that I need to mention is that this is not going to be the most beautiful room you've ever seen. It's very practical. We've got quite a small house, and so there's various other bits in his room as well. He's got quite a big room in comparison to some of the other rooms in the house, so we use it for storage as well. So you'll notice that as we go around. So as we come in, this is what we see. We have a giant Ikea shelf, which I don't really like, but we're being practical and saving money and reusing what we have or repurposing it. So this is a big toy shelf with books on the bottom and various other bits and bobs. I'll take you through that. On the floor, we've got my son, who is 2 this week. Very exciting. And we got the Nuna Leaf, which is loved by every single child that comes to visit. We also have the Nuna Wind, which attaches when he's younger or when he was smaller, and then it can automate it going backwards and forwards. So on the top, we've just got like duvet, and that's like the inner part of his pram to make the pram flat. And then there's a lot of like breastfeeding pump things and wraps and stuff in here. And then we've got on this shelf, we've got his lovely Harrods bear, which we were bought by my auntie and uncle. We've got various different toys for different ages that he's not quite grown into yet. So just a few different bits and bobs. There's like dominoes and jigsaws. There's some finger painting stuff at the back there. Then of course we rotate his toys. So we've got the ball pit. We've got these, which he loves. He can do this already, which he really loves. So threading beads. And we've got a load of muslins and towels. Are you trying to show everyone all your bits, bud? Show them what you've got then, bud. What's in this one here? We've got inflatables here when we go swimming. And then we've got his magnetic board. If you haven't seen my toy video, then you'll see most of the toys that we have in there, but there's quite a few different ones. We've got loads of books. We love books, and he loves to read books as well with mummy and with daddy and anybody that comes to visit. I have promised to do a kind of book collection video, and I will definitely do that because we've got so many favorites that we'd like to share. You want to play with the balls? I don't think we can play with the balls right now, buddy. Maybe we could put all of these back in there. Yeah. So this is a reasonably new purchase, which is just our linens cabinet that is from Ikea. I actually really like it. I'm annoyed that it has to be in his room, so it sort of takes up more space in his room, but it's still quite practical. And there's various other linen-y bits on here, like napkins and stuff like that. And then of course water wipes. I would tell anyone that thinks water wipes are too expensive to look on Amazon and buy them in bulk. We get a big box of 520 wipes, which I think is like maybe 16 packets, and we go through that about every 3 months or so. Then we get our disposable recyclable nappies from Ethical Superstore, which again is a good cost saver. So we've got bamboo natura ones in 5s and 6s, and we've got kit and kin. We also get Multex from there, and they're down here in the more usable location. Are you giving Snow Bear a cuddle? That's nice. This light is actually the thing that makes the whole room feel snuggly and warm and hygge, if you like, which is Hygge, that lovely Swedish word that just means cozy. And it does make it really cozy. It's of course from Ikea as well. Then we had to keep these in here because they wouldn't fit in the loft, these side tables. So I've used them to put some of his cute blankets and stuff in, and also nappies. So this one's got blankets and muslins, and this one has got cot sheets. Then here we've got like his traveling bag for if we need to go somewhere, and we've got the Bambino Mio bin. This boy is teething really bad, and he's had so much energy this morning, but he's clearly a little bit tired now. Is that where Bear goes to bed? Can you give him a blanket? The bear, yeah. So this chair is an Ikea Poang chair. I think it's Poang. And it is brilliant. We use it for reading all of the time now. We never actually used it for breastfeeding, which is what I bought it for, but I didn't find it that easy to get back off of it. So, but we use it all the time now, and we just love it. So comfy. This is our video monitor, which is the BT one. Has a cute little picture of him as a little baby. Which is his initial. And then in here we've got nappies. So we've got 6s, which he sleeps in. We've got swimming nappies. And then in the bottom we've got a whole load of Moltex and Bamboo Nature 5s. Then we have the Ubi bin. I love, love, love this bin. There's no smell. We've had it for ages. It works really, really great. I'd really recommend that to anybody. It fits a good amount in it. It's not too much, not too little. And it's got the security lock on it, so he cannot open it, which is really great. And we've got this cute little cross-stitch thing that I did for him. He's strong, very courageous. And then a little wooden heart thing, which is above his changing table. It's actually one of our old chest of drawers, which we just had repurposed. We didn't want to buy new furniture if we didn't have to. This had the right height surface for us to use as a changing table. In Belgium, it seems that no babies go down on just a plastic surface. So this is a plastic surface, but then it's got this cover, which is babies only. And actually, I kind of like it. When he was small, I didn't really use it too much, actually, because of the poo everywhere incident, and then we had to wash it all the time. But now it's really lovely to use it. I really like it, and it makes the room just feel a bit more cozy. Gonna do some reading? Yeah. Oh, that's not my badger, that's a favorite one. So then in the top drawer we have kind of things I don't really want him to reach all the time, but also things that I use quite a lot. So socks and nutty cream and little indoor shoes, little bags, temperature checker, just various different bits and bobs, some pajamas. Then his clothes are very, very organized. Look at that massive mess of tops in the top bit, and then the bottoms are bottom bits, and then in the very bottom we have all of the nappies, which I need to do another video about because these are now my absolute favorites and I want to share those with you guys. Then we have this giant round rug from Ikea, and we have the Ikea cot bed, which used to come up to here, and then of course the second he got up we put it down there, and he's not quite big enough yet for me to take the side off because he would jump up and down and come straight down the stairs, I'm sure. And he sleeps in a sleeping bag. Look at this. Cheeky pants, what are you doing? So yeah, he still sleeps in a sleeping bag. This one's actually getting a little bit too small for him, but we just picked this one up from a secondhand shop in Belgium, but you can pick them up secondhand in thrift stores or charity shops or online. And then we have had the Ikea one as well, which is really great and really good for summer. And then we just have this, which is a lovely kind of fabric, big fabric bag full of all of his soft things, including the balls from Ikea, giant monkey that my dad got him. Your bear? Are you showing everybody what's in there? Oh, it's your penguin. What noise does a penguin make? Is nice? Is it soft? Look at this. This is a true toddler. In the space of 2 minutes, the floor is like this. Amazing. Very importantly, he does have a blackout blind, and he can sort of see out into the garden as well, but we've also got curtains, and that is really, really good. This room can get super duper dark. So that is his room. I hope that's interesting to you guys. I told you it wasn't going to be the most beautiful, the most Instagrammable, the most Pinterestable, but I hope that it's real enough for you guys and that there's some interesting things for you to see. I will leave everything linked down below, so please do check there if there's anything sort of particular that you are after, and if you have a question about anything, please just ask and I will get back to you. You know how I said he couldn't get into the top? Well, he can still open it. So thank you so much for watching, and please check back soon for more videos. Bye!